question about population. The initial population of the Earth was 6 billion, 6 billion people. Okay, so that's 9 zeros. That's why you saw they wrote it as 6 times 10 to the power of 9. Okay, and then the population increased by a 1.5%. So this needs to be multiplied by 1 plus the interest rate. So the interest is 1.5%. Okay, and then it's to the power of how many years. So we don't know the number of years, they're just making it t for time, I guess. So t number of years. And the question is, when will this population double? So when will it go from 6 billion to 12 billion? Okay, so I'm just gonna write all the zeros. There you go, it's 9 zeros. Now we need to solve t. Okay, t will tell us when the population grows to that amount. Now the first thing I want to do is I want to get rid of all these zeros. So I'm going to divide by 1 billion. In fact, I can actually divide by 6 billion because 6 billion can also go into the 12 billion. So I'm going to divide by 6 billion, which will cancel this entire thing. Like if I divide this whole thing by 6 billion, just check the right amount of zeros. Okay, these will just cancel. And if we divide 12 billion by 6 billion, my answer is 2. Right? Because 6 can go to 12 twice. So this answer over here is actually what they gave us. It's the 1.015, if I'm not mistaken, to the power of t. Sorry, let me just double check that. Yes, that is correct. And then 12 over 6 we said was 2. Okay, so now you need to solve this equation. We have a base. This is our base. T is our exponent. And 2 is, I guess, the output answer. I'm going to call it the output answer. Okay, well, so we have a base to the power of an exponent, and that's equal to 2. Okay, we can solve this using log. Now remember that our log law says that an exponent is equal to log of the base, and in the bigger brackets the output answer. Output answer. Okay, so we can just use log to solve this. Our exponent is t, so t is equal to oops, I'm running out of space. Let me just go a bit higher. T is equal to log of this base over here, so that's the 1.015, and the output answer of 2. We punch this into our calculator, and that should work out the answer for t. And there's your answer. The answer is 46.5 years. You can use the log button that's below the on button. That's the one I used. If you use this one, it doesn't work as nicely because this one already has a base of 10, whereas this one you can insert your own base. Okay, so there you go. The answer is 46 point, I'm gonna round it up to 40.6 years. You can convert that to months if you want to. You can just multiply by 12 to get the number of months. But yeah, that's your answer.